Hey, Scrappy. We fed these guys last night, but we needed to replace the water. Oh, we fed them last night and they ate it all last night.
I probably ate it this morning.
Oh, good point. Hi guys, are you loving your new stuff? All your warm additions? Are you all so cozy? Is everybody just so cozy now? Got some pine flakes up in there where they like to hang out. It's their safe spot, and the hay up there to block the wind. More straw down on the ground for them. I see a peacock feather. I think they might be molting. Hello, babies. Hello. Aren't you just the prettiest little peacocks and guineas there ever was? Yes. Aren't you guys just the cutest little bugs there ever was? Yeah. Hey, babies.